Hello dear students, welcome to your own class Chemistry with Mind. Namaskar. Today we will study ideal solution and non-ideal solution. So one by one we will study. So let us start. First we will discuss ideal solution, correct? So for understanding the ideal solution, first you should know a solution can be two component solution, three component solution or more than three component solution. So if we want to describe an ideal solution, first we have to fix the number of component. So let us consider two component solution, correct? In the case of two component solution, I will describe what is the ideal solution, correct? So ideal solution of two component A and B is the solution in which the intermolecular interaction between component A and B are of the same magnitude as of between pure component. So first definition is ideal solution of the two component A and B is the solution in which intermolecular interaction are of same magnitude as of between pure components. What is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is the interaction between A component and B component is equal to the magnitude of the interaction between AA or magnitude of the interaction between BB. This is the first definition of the ideal solution. There is one more definition. As per the second definition, the ideal solution of component A and B is the solution in which change in volume on mixing and change in enthalpy on mixing is 0. It means number 2 is change in volume on mixing. What is the meaning of mixing? When we are adding component A into component B or component B into component A, that is called mixing of the component. So change in volume on mixing is equal to 0 and change in enthalpy on mixing, that is also 0. Now come to the third definition. According to the third definition, the ideal solution is the solution in which each component follow Raoult's law at all temperature and concentration. So third one is ideal solution is the solution in which each component So here is two component A and B. It means both component follow Raoult's law on or at all temperature Now come to the non-ideal solution. Number 2 is non-ideal solution. What is the non-ideal solution? There are also three definitions. First definition is non-ideal solution of component A and B is the solution in which intermolecular interaction between component A and B are of different magnitude than those in between pure component. It means intermolecular interaction between component A and B are of different magnitude than those in pure component. It means AA or BB. This is the first definition. Now what is the second definition? According to the second definition, non-ideal solution of component A and B is the solution in which change in volume or volume change on mixing does not equal to 0 and enthalpy change on mixing is also does not equal to 0. So this is first one and this is second definition. Delta V mixing I told you, adding the component A into B or B into A does not equal to 0 and delta H mixing also does not equal to 0. Now come to the third definition. Third definition is, according to the third definition, non-ideal solution is the solution in which no component, neither A nor B, no component follow Raoult's law. That is the third definition of the non-ideal solution. Non-ideal solution is the solution in which no component follow Raoult's law. So this is the ideal solution and non-ideal solution. If you have any doubt, please ask, feel free to ask through message box. I will definitely try to give your answer as soon as possible. And if you like this video, please subscribe it. There is one benefit, because if you want my next video, you will get automatically notification. Thank you very much.